To ensure correct use, always read and understand the instructions for use of the Dräger PAS Colt and Dräger PAS Micro and the utilized components prior to use. The limitations of use and all warnings must be strictly observed. For further questions, please contact your safety officer or your authorized Dräger organization. The Dräger PAS Colt and Dräger PAS Micro, together with a mask, air cylinder, and lung demand valve, are respiratory protections for short escape and airline escape. Escape-only equipment is identified on the product label by EN 402. Please make yourself familiar with which type of equipment you will be using. The Dräger PAS Colt is a hip-mounted system. The Dräger PAS Micro is a shoulder strap system. In the following, we show the correct handling of the devices and what you need to consider after use. The parts of the equipment for use in escape applications with the option of an airline are a pressure reducer, a high pressure indicator on the cylinder valve which will show the product is ready for use, a fixed lung demand valve, and an optional hose for connection to an external air supply with or without automatic switchover device. For more information about an automatic switchover device, please see separate video. Only PAS Colt has a bandolier shoulder harness and waist belt with a hip-mounted cylinder holster. Only PAS Micro has a backplate harness and waist belt with a back-mounted cylinder holster. Carry out a visual inspection of all parts. Check that the equipment is clean and undamaged. Open the waist buckle and fully extend the waist belt and shoulder strap. Pass the left arm through the shoulder strap. Take it over the head and position it on the right shoulder. Position the harness diagonally across the body with the cylinder positioned against the left hip. Loop the waist belt around the waist, fasten the buckle, and tighten the waist belt strap. Pull down to adjust the shoulder strap. Connect, depending on your system, the lung demand valve with the mask. Put the neck strap of the face mask over the head. Carry out a visual inspection of all parts. Check that the equipment is clean and undamaged. Open the waist buckle and fully extend the waist belt and shoulder strap. Put on the device. Tighten the shoulder strap to a comfortable position. Loop the waist belt around the waist. Fasten the buckle and tighten the waist belt strap. Connect, depending on your system, the lung demand valve with the mask. Put the neck strap of the face mask over the head. For escape only, the cylinder should only be opened for evacuation. If an alarm is raised, open the cylinder and don the mask according to the instructions for use. Immediately leave the hazardous area by the shortest and safest route. For escape with Airline, the cylinder should be opened at all times when in use with a PAS ASV. If an alarm is raised, disconnect the external air supply. Immediately leave the hazardous area by the shortest and safest route. When in a safe area, remove the mask according to the instructions for use and press the reset button for overpressure systems immediately. Close the cylinder valve. Press the front button to fully vent the system. Disconnect the lung demand valve from the face mask. Open the waist belt buckle, lift the shoulder strap buckle, and then remove the equipment. Open the waist buckle and lift the shoulder strap to loosen the harness. Remove the equipment. Carry out a visual inspection before and after use. Carry out maintenance and tests according to the instructions for use. These tasks may only be carried out by Dräger or trained service personnel.